On folio 23 recto, Fiore shows us the 7 blows of the sword, which are fendente, illustrated this way, and the path of the blow is from the jaw to the knee. So that can be from my jaw to my knee, but also if I have a person in front of me and I'm stroking the sword from their jaw to their knee, it will give me this lovely, correct cutting angle. Of course, anything that's sort of coming downwards is a fendente blow. So there may be this sort of canonically perfect, beautiful version of the fendente, but sometimes it's going to be coming in like that, and that's okay. If it's coming downwards, it's a fendente. Next up, we have the sottani blows, which return by the path that the fendente make, and they will finish in the forehead or in posta longa. And again, these are now going from my knee to the jaw, more or less. We can also do rising blows with the true edge, which will look quite different. And instead of finishing in posta longa, they will finish in fenestra. They're not described on this page, but we see them elsewhere in the book. For example, the parry of the sword in one hand is nothing if not a sottano. So these rising blows are called sottani. Mandrito, forehand, reverso, backhand. Next up, we have the mezzani blows, the middle blows, which go across, and he says it is true edge from the right, or true edge on the forehand side, assuming a right-hander, and false edge from the reversal side, the backhand side, again assuming a right-hander. So when you are striking a crosswise blow, and it appears in various forms in the treatise, for example, having broken the thrust, you're then going to cut under the beard, like so. That is a mezzano blow, and it will be done with the false edge if it's coming from your backhand side, and it will be coming with the true edge if it's coming from your forehand side. And of course, if you're a left-hander, it will be true edge, false edge. A place in the treatise where he tells us to use a mezzano blow, explicitly using the term mezzano, is in the play of the punta falsa, which we'll see later. But effectively, you've parried and you feint with a strong mezzano to the head, and that sets you up for when they parry, you can turn and do the punta falsa, which we'll look at in a later video. The last of the 7 blows is the thrust. But in the text, he says there are 5 kinds of thrust, which can be from above, forehand and backhand, from below, forehand and backhand, and straight up the middle. So yes, there are 7 blows, but one of them is divided into 5 parts. You could call that 11 blows if you like. The thrust is commonly done from one side or the other, but also we have guards in the middle, for example, porta di ferro alla mezzana, posta breve, posta longa, and bicorno, which will give you this straight shot up the middle. So, putting those 7 blows together, you have mandrito fendente, reverso fendente, mandrito sottano, reverso sottano, mandrito mezzano, reverso mezzano, and the thrust, which can be of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types.